How to fix OneDrive storage full. So if you want to fix the problem of OneDrive storage full, then what you can do is you can simply search for the OneDrive and you can open up OneDrive, or you can just simply go with the hidden icons, which is right here on the bottom right, and then go with the OneDrive, click on it, and go with settings, which is on the upper right, and click on settings again. Now you'll get this kind of interface, right? You will have OneDrive settings. So here you will have two options. Your first is you will get more storage, and the second one is unlink this PC. So you can simply go with get more storage and you will have the basic plans or the premium plans. And if it's really important for you to get the storage, then you can simply go and take the plans. But you can also go with unlink this PC, which is the second option. Click on unlink this PC and just go with unlink. Now once you go with unlink, then what you need to do is just simply go with the apps section. You can go with your settings and go with system. Under system, you can scroll down and go with apps, or you can simply go with apps, which is right here, and go with installed apps or default apps and search for Microsoft OneDrive. Now here you will have the OneDrive. What you need to do is just simply go with right side and then go with uninstall. Once you uninstall, then if you go with your file explorer, then you will not have the red colored mark which will say the storage has been full and anything like that. But you don't need to worry because everything will not be deleted. You can simply go with your browser, open up your browser, and then go with onedrive.com, and you will be able to have the files in your website also. So that's how you can fix your OneDrive storage full. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.